Hi there, and welcome. In this video, you'll hear 60 common job names with short examples. I've recorded all the short clips already, and now we're putting them all together. Listen closely, repeat if you need to, and pay special attention to the examples. Teacher.
My teacher explains this clearly.
Doctor.
The doctor helped me feel better.
Nurse.
The nurse checked my temperature.
Engineer.
She's an engineer.
Lawyer.
He hired a lawyer.
Accountant.
The accountant filed the taxes.
Quick fact: some jobs are ancient. Farming, baking, and butchery have existed for thousands of years. People have done these jobs since long before modern cities existed. Chef.
The chef made a special dish.
Driver.
The driver took a shortcut.
Software developer.
The software developer builds apps.
Police officer.
The police officer helped us.
Dentist.
My dentist fixed my tooth.
Pharmacist.
The pharmacist gave me my medicine.
Pilot.
The pilot announced our descent.
Now, a surprising point. Many jobs on this list are new in the last 30 years. Software developer and content creator were almost unknown a generation ago, but now they are very common. Farmer.
The farmer harvested the wheat.
Electrician.
Call an electrician for wiring.
Plumber.
The plumber fixed the leak.
Graphic designer.
She hired a graphic designer.
Manager.
The manager approved the plan.
Barista.
The barista made my latte.
Hairdresser.
The hairdresser cut his hair.
Listen to this. It matters for learners. Job names are often formed from verbs or actions. For example, teacher equals someone who teaches. Driver equals someone who drives. That pattern helps you guess new job words. Architect.
The architect designed the building.
Mechanic.
The mechanic fixed my car.
Veterinarian.
The veterinarian checked my dog.
Photographer.
The photographer took amazing photos.
Journalist.
The journalist reported the news.
Translator.
She works as a translator.
Real estate agent.
The real estate agent sold the house.
A practical tip. Some job titles are spelled or pronounced in hard ways. Words like pharmacist, veterinarian, or architect can be tricky. Don't worry, learn them gradually and repeat the audio. Security guard.
The security guard checked our IDs.
Construction worker.
The construction worker wears a helmet.
Content creator.
She's a content creator online.
Receptionist.
The receptionist answered the phone.
Cashier.
The cashier scanned my items.
Librarian.
The librarian helped me find a book.
Tour guide.
The tour guide explained the history.
A fact about work and technology. Automation changes some jobs faster than others. Routine tasks like simple packing or repetitive cash register work are more likely to be automated, while jobs that need creativity or human care are harder to replace. Flight attendant.
The flight attendant served drinks.
Data analyst.
He works as a data analyst.
HR specialist.
The HR specialist handled recruitment.
Warehouse worker.
The warehouse worker packed the boxes.
Quality inspector.
The quality inspector checked the product.
Customer support.
Customer support solved my problem.
Cleaner. A cleaner is someone who keeps places clean and tidy.
A cleaner arrived early.
This one may surprise you. Not all high-paying jobs need a university degree. In many places, technical skills, certificates, or experience can be just as important as a degree. That's true for some technicians, drivers, and skilled trades. Janitor. A janitor takes care of a building.
The janitor locked the building.
Babysitter. A babysitter looks after children.
The babysitter watched the kids.
Caregiver. A caregiver takes care of people, often those who need extra help.
She works as a caregiver.
Social worker. A social worker helps people in need.
The social worker helped the family.
Economist. An economist studies the economy.
The economist analyzed the market.
Auditor. An auditor checks financial records.
The auditor checked the accounts.
Meteorologist. A meteorologist predicts the weather.
The meteorologist predicted rain.
One more quick observation. Many care and service jobs appear again and again. Teachers, nurses, caregivers, cleaners. These jobs matter everywhere. They keep societies working and are easy to practice in English because the language is simple and useful. Statistician. A statistician works with numbers and data.
The statistician analyzed the data.
Researcher. A researcher studies and discovers new things.
The researcher published a study.
Baker. So a baker makes fresh bread.
The baker makes fresh bread.
Butcher. Basically, a butcher prepares meat.
The butcher cut the meat.
Courier. A courier delivers packages.
The courier delivered the package.
Dispatcher. This is someone who sends workers or vehicles.
The dispatcher sent the driver.
Surveyor. A surveyor measures land.
The surveyor measured the land.
Final short fact before we finish the list. Job names change by country. The same job may have different common words in different places. For example, cashier versus teller. When you learn a job name, you may also learn a local synonym. Urban planner. An urban planner plans cities.
The urban planner designed the city layout.
Nutritionist. A nutritionist gives food advice.
The nutritionist gave me a meal plan.
Physiotherapist. A physiotherapist helps with movement.
The physiotherapist helped my recovery.
Psychologist. A psychologist helps with mental health.
The psychologist listened carefully.
Archivist. And an archivist manages historical records.
The archivist organized old documents.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed the examples. Practice these words out loud and come back to the video when you want more. See you next time.